Hi everybody, I'm Jim. I'm a homeowner here in San Francisco. We've got a beautiful day today, and I installed Irrigreen on my own. It was much more straightforward than what I did previously, and I'll give you a tour of that and a tour of this Irrigreen system. This lawn is about 30 feet by 25 feet, so about 750 square feet, and we just rolled sod on top of the sand we have here in this part of San Francisco. And before we did that, we actually put in a traditional sprinkler system with 6 heads with pipes running through the underground all over the yard. This took a lot of trenching and preparation. I wish I'd known about Irrigreen before I did that, because what I did was replace those 6 sprinklers with just one Irrigreen sprinkler. There's this device here that basically you can cap off your sprinklers. And so I just bought this at the store. You sort of take the little sprinkler head out, put this on top, and that caps off the sprinkler. So I just left all the piping in there. And then over here, I dug a small trench, and I've got some sort of still photos of that trench. And I put my Irrigreen head right here. You can see the grass is kind of grown back around it. And I was able just to peel the sod back. And what you need to sort of splice the pipe that you've got running under there is a special kind of PVC connector, and I'll show you that. Here you can see me closing up the lawn and testing the sprinkler before I close it all the way up. It was just as easy as folding the grass back over and filling in the dirt. This is the Irrigreen head. It requires water, obviously, and then to connect one wire all the way back to the system. So as I come back across the lawn, I dug a trench and I went underneath this edging board, and then I just picked up one of these stones and took the water line and the water line actually stopped here. And I took the electric line, the connector to the Irrigreen box under this stone, and then you can see my lovely little area of tools and whatnot, potting things. And then I have a multiple zone system. So I have a veggie bed and another area that also my Irrigreen runs. And then here you can see my Irrigreen setup. Then to power it, I had an electrician come and just install this weatherproof box. This little green plug is just for my outdoor lights. So it's really just that one plug. And yeah, that's the Irrigreen setup with the wire coming out to run my single sprinkler. It's got my 750 square foot lawn looking great. And when I put in the Irrigreen sprinkler, I did watch my water bill to see what would happen to it. And I had an immediate 30% reduction. And then in California, we've been trying to save water, so I've even kind of reduced it to every other day watering, which is why you see it's not uniformly green. But saving water by 30% and then cutting down to every other day by another 50% and still having a lawn is a way to save water and still have something that kids can kick the soccer ball around on. So